Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Country Fundamentals. As we all know, and for those that are coming new, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities we can grab from the market, and you guys get to see more of my strategy, how I get my entries, how I get my exits. Yeah. So, thank you all for joining this session. Please, before we go, I would like to say this. For those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. Normally, I say it at the end, but I discovered that a lot of you don't watch it to the end. So let's get started. Fundamentals. We have card news today by 3 p.m. I think it's just the card news that is actually high impact. The rest is basically low impact news. And see, lately we've been having a lot of news, and I'm not going to lie, yeah. I told you guys, it's been crazy. I told you guys, I promised you guys the other time that we're going to do a lecture on fundamentals. But then one thing up to now, I've not compiled. I've compiled the notes more than half. It's just completing that is the problem. So the summaries when it comes to fundamentals, yeah. Even if the spike goes against you, yeah, it's still just another day in the market. It's just like another day when you have a setup and then price just goes against you and the setup doesn't just work. It's just the same thing. Do you understand? So let it not be like something. I don't know how to put it. Most times you feel like there's a special way to trade fundamentals. There's no special way. Just do your technical analysis and just say the same thing you do for every trade. If you see the confirmations, take it. Honestly, if it goes against you, fine. If it doesn't, fine. The only thing is always use your risk management. Always use your risk management. Hope you guys understand. So we'll be jumping on our charts now to actually see what we can get. But I think apart from this card, high impact card news, there's nothing really to worry about today. I don't even trade USD card, so it's none of my business. It's not really none of my business. But anyways, looking at this, yeah, sorry, let's start with ADS. So this is what I have on ADS. Let me clear it and then look at it critically. So ADUSD did this stuff yesterday. We broke structure from here. I was expecting that retest to these levels, but then one thing we know with very strong trends is that the retracement most times is always going to be short. Do you understand? And then we just retraced. I don't think this was up to the 0.27. So the 0.3 level of the Fibonacci, and then we broke above. Now, those of you that have been joining this session for a while now observe that we'll be kind of like backtesting one strategy, one short tracement strategy that we've been backtesting for a while now. Do you understand? And it's just simply like, okay, anytime you have a break of structure, yeah, and the retracement is not that deep, yeah, what you basically do now is enter at the candle, yeah, at the candle that broke structure. Yeah, at the candle that broke structure and then stop loss below. So we've seen it work a couple of times. That's why I actually like dropped it. I wanted to see how today's one was going to go. But if you want to be stubborn, this is what you can just drop your stop loss below the candlestick and then target the 2RR basically. Yeah, the strategy has been working for a while. So this is another thing we can have. Now, why this strategy? Why we're basically targeting the 2RR is because if this is as strong as it says, as it's showing it is, yeah, this push should actually be what this trend should continue for at least a 2RR off the candlestick that broke structure. Do you understand? So that's what I'm looking at for an ADSD. Now, another way we can look at this here is for price to extend a bit. If you want to be on the safer side, if you don't want to go all guns blazing, yeah, you can just wait for price to break, extend the bit, and then wait to catch the retracement. Do you understand? But this time we've been having less and lesser deeper retracements. So I don't know. I'll take this one, yeah. I'll take this ADUSD, but then I'll read slow because it's still a strategy that I am still working. Yeah, it's still in the pipeline, yeah, but I'm going to take it. I want to take it and see how it goes. Yeah. Then subsequently, what we can wait for now is for that proper test of this level for a continuation. So that's what I'll be looking at from the ADUSD. Now, coming to NZDUSD. I was thinking we would have that same kind of break, but then we don't. NZD actually retraced completely. Now, that's what is actually giving me the confidence to take that AED. Because AED did the whole retracement. AED is pushing back up now to create another high. So AED too might be pushing up to create another high. Do you understand? So it's going to be something like this. So we had that whole push, yeah, and then the pull, and then now we're tapping into these levels. But then, as we all know, ADS is a pair of risk. So we just look at this highs. If at any time price breaks this level, sorry, guys. If at any time price breaks this level clearly, do you understand? Then we can look for the retest. Now, some people might be asking, why are we waiting for the retest in AEDS? It's because AEDS, this retracement was deep. It was to at least the 50% Fibonacci. Do you understand? So this was not a short retracement, so I cannot use that short retracement strategy on it. I'll wait for the normal break and pretest on NZDUSD. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm talking about. What questions do you guys have before we go?
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, so on what we're talking about, you're trying to say that we should learn how to place trades on break of structure, right? When it has been retested.
It's not try to learn how to place trades, yeah. It's not a class. It's basically my analysis. Do you understand? So what I'm giving you, what I'll be looking out for today on this pair.
Okay.
So if we have a break, I'll be looking for a retest on this pair. It's not even if when we have a break. Yeah, I'll be looking out for a retest on this pair.
So do you look out the retest on every pair or on some pairs?
It's on all the pairs I trade. These are the pairs I trade: ADUSD, NZDUSD, EURUSD, and GBPUSD.
Okay, all right.
So this is basically what I'm looking out for in this one. Yeah, that clear break of structure and then the retest. Then EURUSD. Let's take it right. So EURUSD, okay, EURUSD too had that break of structure. It was not as clear as AEDUSD, but we had that candlestick close above. So the same short retracement strategy I was telling you guys about, enter at the close of the candlestick, target is 2 hour, and then your stop loss just below the candlestick. Let's just see how it goes. I've taken this one too. I've taken it on my accounts, but then I told you guys I'm risking very, very low. Yeah, I'm not risking anything, guys. Not my risk 1%, but I'm risking like 0.2 on this
Sorry,
trade.
please.
What?
Analysis.
What?
What is this analysis? What is this analysis that you just drew?
Yes. Is it the currency pair you're asking for, or is what I'm looking out for, basically?
Yeah, the analysis that you just drew on this.
Okay, so let me delete this stuff. Yeah, sorry, I should skip that started. This price. Okay, so this is basically what we had. We had that whole break of structure yesterday. Do you understand? And most times, yeah, when we have these very big impulsive moves that break structure, we tend to not have that deep retracement because the trend is still strong. When the trend is strong, yeah, you would see that, or you notice that most times the other party is always they always find it hard to come in and then push the retracement down. You know, this is a buying market. Do you understand?
Yes.
If it's as strong as it's showing it is, yeah, sellers won't be that much in the market. Do you understand? That's the framework of this short retracement strategy. So now we've seen a break of structure here. You can see that this candlestick has closed up. So now, one thing with short retracement strategy is I want to see that enter at the close of the candlestick. Your stop loss below the candlestick, and then what? Target a 2RR. That's you're expecting that since this is a strong trend, it's going to continue for at least 2 times this candlestick before it will say it wants to reverse. Do you understand?
Okay.
So that's basically the framework. Do you understand?
And also, I can see an balance on this chart.
Okay.
Where they're only buyers.
Okay, down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can have that push to the downside too. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But down might be on another day. Do you get? So me, I'm basically I'm like, okay, what can I get? And this is what I have now. Do you understand?
Okay.
Let's jump on
Thank
GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, I've not seen that break yet. Yeah, I've not seen that break of structure yet, so I'm still going to calm down and wait. Once I see this candlestick break above, now this candlestick breaking above doesn't just mean if I see this candlestick push above these levels, then I'll take the entry. No, I want to see a candlestick close above this level. That this candlestick has to close be above this level before I say I want to jump on it. Do you understand? So once we have that, because this too is what a short retracement. So once we have that break of structure, what I'll be doing now is what enter the close of the candlestick, a stop loss below the candlestick, and then target it to. So that's basically what I have on all the pairs I trade today. So is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
How about if you draw your analysis from this recent high?
Which one? This one? No, sorry, this one.
No, go back.
This one.
The first, yes, from there. Then market broke structure.
Okay,
then now,
okay, you want me to explain it?
No, like how about if market retest that level and then go?
See, in every trend here, you're going to have impulsive retracements. Yeah, do you understand? Now, this was the impulse. Do you understand? Now, price has created a higher high. This is okay. It has not confirmed this higher low yet. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But if at any time price break above this previous higher high here, then we have confirmed the higher low. Do you understand?
Okay. It's yeah.
So now that retest, you know that sometimes you don't have that retest at the broken structure.
Okay.
Do you get? Especially in very strong breaks like the one that happened yesterday. Most times you don't have that retest on the broken structure. Do you get? That's why that short retracement strategy here is for those strong market movements.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries. What pair do you guys want us to take a look at before we...
Sorry, do you trade gold?
I don't trade gold, but I can analyze it. Okay, both of these pairs are actually profits, yeah. Okay, is it the same thing we're having with gold? So gold basically broke structure yesterday. We retraced and then we broke above. I don't want to use, let me see. Okay, this levels have been broken. Let me drop my fee. Where did that retracement stop? Did it tap into the 50? It taps into the 50. So I'll not be using that short retracement strategy. What I would like to see on gold now, yeah, is for gold to push up and then I'll look for that retest. Do you understand? Try to break structure clearly and then look for that retest around these levels or my Fibonacci levels. That's basically what I want to see gold break and then retest.
Okay.
Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
So in summary, you take retest strategy on only impulsive moves, right?
Yes, basically the retest is targeted at catching impulsive moves.
Okay. But do you use Fibonacci to measure anything on?
Yes, I use Fibonacci to get my levels.
Okay.
Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Any other pair, guys?
Boss, good morning.
Good morning, Easy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How's the night?
All good. How is it?
Fine. For this AUD USD, I don't know. I'm quite bearish on it though. I think
bearish.
Yeah, the
It's
overall
from which type?
structure.
Well, see, one thing with overall structure can be bearish, but then we still have bias. Do you understand? There are
Yeah, we
still going
still
to be
have bias.
retracements on
True.
these lower time frames. Do you understand? I'm a day trader. I'm not looking at. If I start looking at overall structure, then it means I've started smooth trading. Do you understand?
Okay.
So that,
All right, boss.
any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? Okay, guys, in the absence of any other pair, I would like to call it a day. And please stay safe, guys. If you don't see your setup, don't trade in. Always wait for what your setup in the market. Always wait for it to manifest before you take any trades. And please don't waste your money on low probability setups. Always wait for those high probability setups. You understand? Like I always say, if you waste your money on low probability setups, what will you do when those high probability setups? Okay. So have a very wonderful trading day, guys. Catch you guys same time soon. Bye, guys.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir. Bye bye.